Hey guys, Jared Fishing Adventures out here for another video. It's about 63 degrees today. We're gonna try and catch some fish in some cooler weather. We got my trolling motor battery all charged up 100%, so we should be good to go. Alright guys, we're back out here. We're on the lake now. We're just pulling up to our spot right here in front of us. I think the first bait we're going to throw is a football jig with a craw in the back of it and just drag it in, see what we can get on it. Got it all rigged up. We got the 3/16 ounce football jig, and then we got a beaver craw on the bottom of it. Alright, so we're about to just take our first cast out here. We're going to throw it right out there into the middle, and you want to watch your line. When it stops, you know you're at the bottom. And with this bait, you just want to drag it, because those crawfish, they're on the bottom. So that's what you want to be looking for with this bait. You want this thing to be crawling on the bottom. We're going to cast right up into these lily pads over here with the jig and let it sink, and then just see if we can pull something out of here. If they're there, they'll bite it. Just rigged up a Texas rig 5 3/8 inch Senko. Gonna try it over in this spot that I'm in right now. Throwing it right up there close to these weeds. Let it sink, and then start twitching it a little bit. Guys, I got one. Pretty sure it's a fish. Yeah, it's a fish. Just a small little bass. Just a little guy. It's been like 15 more minutes since I caught that last one. Nothing's really biting over here anymore. Guys, I'm hooked up right now. I'm hooked up. He's up in all these weeds. Got him. Nice little fish. Right out of that corner. Throwing it into the same exact spot where I just caught that last one. See if there's another one over there. Guys, I have a fish on. I have a fish. Nice little fish. He's a little bloody, so we're just gonna let him go. He's all good. Thought I just had another one. This spot's been popping lately. Alright, we're gonna try using these KVD Perfect plastics. These are the finesse worms in a watermelon red flake. They are a 6.5 inch worm. They're very, very similar to the flicker worm. Texas rigged it, and that's what she looks like. We're gonna throw her right in this little pocket. With these, you just want to let them sink. They're a lot like a Senko. They're meant to be fished finesse. And with this finesse worm, you just want to give it subtle twitches. Nothing too big, otherwise it won't look natural to the fish. call it a finesse worm because there's no weight on it. You're not fishing it with a weight. We're using a smaller 4.5 inch watermelon red Senko now. Maybe we can get some more fish on her. I'm probably gonna take like 10 more casts or so and then probably pull out of here because it's getting pretty windy and it's kind of cold out here. Not really getting any more bites over here, so we're probably gonna check out of here now.